Okay, my mom told me to go to the dollar store and Filipino store, and I was like, okay, what do you want me to buy? She said she's gonna get some balikbayan boxes, and I'm like, okay. So she was like, okay, we need to go pack some stuff. You know? Okay, so I was like, what do we need to pack, Mom? It's like, just go buy some packing tape. To the dollar store. So I'm like, okay, I went to the dollar store. I went to buy some boxes, and you know, it was all $1, and I'm like, okay, balikbayan the box is only $1, and then there was some rollover tape. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get some packing tape. So I was like, I have $2 in my hand, $3. I was like, okay, $3. I can buy some more. I can buy some sheets. You know. So I went to buy some packing tape, and then I went to go some sheet. You know.
Why did I get that one?
It smells like girls in here.
Okay, so I was
Okay, shut up! This is going on my MySpace, people.
I went home.
Okay, no one cares about MySpace.
I went home.
MySpace without Winnie.
I went home, so I was like, okay, Mom, here's your packing tape and some sheet.
Is your name Summer
So I
because
was
you're
like,
hot?
okay. And then she goes, finally, I was goofing around. I was like, I play the guitar, you know, blah, blah, blah. And then she was like, Tristan, pack the boxes. And I'm like, okay, boxes. So she was like, she kept going. She kept getting mad, and she was like, Tristan, pack the fucking shit! And then she was just going off and off and off. I don't want to continue this.